Hey, welcome to Jim's Kitchen. I am ready to try something unique, something I made up in my mind. You know, I do enjoy a Popeyes Spicy Chicken Sandwich. I guess when it comes to spicy chicken sandwiches, I do enjoy a Popeyes one. It is one of the only things I like on the menu at Popeyes, other than their sweet tea, which I just adore. Well, I thought it would be very fun to take the idea of a spicy chicken sandwich and turn it into a chicken salad. Like a chicken salad that you could put on crackers or on a bun or something like that. Well, let's try this out. Let's grab ourselves a bowl. I'm going to use a cup of mayonnaise, a couple drops of hot sauce, a tablespoon of dill relish, a shake of garlic powder, some black pepper, a touch of cayenne, and some smoked paprika. Let's mix that together. I cooked up some chicken strips. I'm gonna break those apart inside of that sauce. This will get all mixed up to incorporate and turn into that chicken salad. I'm ready to try this out. Spicy chicken salad. Guess you could put this on a nice bed of lettuce. You'll have yourself a fun meal. Wonderful flavors. Perfect spices. This would be something fun to take on a picnic. And you know what? You can make something like this at your house too. Thanks for watching me here on Jim's Kitchen. If you want to see more videos like this, ding that bell. If you like this video, click like. I'm so happy you've joined me. See you next time. I'm thinking of taking up coin collecting. The change will do me good.